I came across the INIU brand 3 years ago when I was looking for power banks to charge our Pixel 6 phones while we were away from home. After 3 years, the two power banks are actually still going strong and in daily use by my family. It was with great delight that INIU gave me the chance to check out their latest model, the P63-E1, with its improved capacity and charging speeds thanks to 3 dedicated USB ports for different devices. One thing I've always liked about the INIU brand of power banks is the design. The P63-E1 is no different, being made from a soft touch plastic with very pleasantly rounded corners. Out of necessity due to its capacity, it's a fairly hefty device weighing in at almost 17 ounces or 475 grams. However, thanks to the shorter dimensions, the whole power bank nestles in your hand comfortably. The P63-E1 capacity is a whopping 25,000 milliamps. That equates to about 90% charge of a MacBook Pro, or over 3 full charges for the latest flagship phones. However, the most interesting feature of the P63-E1 are the 3 USB ports that support different power outputs. The most powerful port is the 100-watt USB-C port designed for charging laptops. The second port is the 45-watt USB-C outlet that is sufficient for charging the latest mobile phones. Finally, there's also an 18-watt USB-A outlet for other types of devices that you might own. All 3 ports can be used simultaneously, but as expected, it lowers the charging speed, as can be seen by this chart. The other feature of the power bank is that it has a simple digital display that lets you know the remaining charge, whether in use or recharging. The unit also comes with a 2-foot 5-amp cable, plus the usual INIU carrying pouch. In terms of performance, the power bank will fast charge my Pixel 9 XL Pro in around 100 minutes using the 45-watt port. I don't own a laptop, but I do use a cheap Chromebook which also charges its 3000 mAh battery at 45 watts. However, in a nice surprise, the P63-E1 will charge our Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE at super fast charging 2.0 speeds with the included 5-amp cable. I have to rely on the INIU marketing for performance for other devices. In terms of recharging the P63-E1, it will take about 2 hours using a 65-watt charger. You can expect slower times using lower wattage power bricks. Overall, I'm really pleased with the performance and the design. As a long-standing owner of the previous INIU models, the extra speed options with 100 watts and 45 watt output as well as the included 5-amp cable makes it a brilliant accessory for any modern device owner on the go. Thank you for watching, and as always, it would be great if you were to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal technology and the connected home.